हाँ बस 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 छोड़िए. So CAT is Central Administrative Tribunal. And the court cases, you know, whenever there is a court case or anything from the CAT, how do you feel? You feel afraid? Something is wrong somewhere? What to do? Who will help me? है ना? ऐसा कुछ होता है? Now, what you are supposed to do and what you are actually doing, that we are supposed to know. है ना? So, why the order comes from CAT? The original, suppose you suspended somebody, or took some punishments. He was punished with, suppose, stoppage of 3 increments with cumulative effect. And he went to the court or the tribunal, and the tribunal will ask you to reply in the form of affidavit. Whatever you submit in the court or in the tribunal, it is in the form of affidavit. And how to prepare the affidavit, we will come into that. But before that, you are supposed to prepare the para-wise comment. Suppose you have suspended somebody or you have punished somebody, he went to the court or to the tribunal, he has written something that these are the factors which I am challenging, that these are wrong. So on each para, you are supposed to write your comment. And your officer will see that. সকলে অসমীয়া বুজি পায়? No, okay. So what will they do? They will see it and prepare the affidavit. But before the affidavit, what is your job? What you will have to do? Any idea? Any idea? Petition is there. What is the first line? I am a citizen of India. What will you write there? So petition होता है ना कोर्ट में और the tribunal. What is the first line? I am a citizen of India. What will you write there? Paramount commitment. To take proof. From the first line, you are supposed to hammer. Can you understand now? Don't leave it. Whatever he says is put to take proof. Who knows he is or not? If it is, so advantage will come to you. So the first clue. Second clue, suppose you have been given that these 5 charges are there. Charge number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Charges, you know? So, charge 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, on this 5, what have they done? You have written in the punishment that as all the 5 charges are proved, so he is punished with stoppage of 3 increments or 4 increments without cumulative effect. हो सकता है? But suppose in the code, out of the 5, in 1 there is benefit of doubt. हो सकता है? 5 थे. Now out of this 5, 4 में क्या हुआ? तो एक में something happened. But what was the order? He as the 5 charges are proved, so he is punished with stoppage of 3 increments. Now what the court will say, or the tribunal will say, the order is passed. Why? Yes. So how can you stop it? It is your duty now. While framing the order and drafting the order, what should you write? Charge number 1 is proof, charge number 2 is proof, charge number 3 is proof, charge number 4 is proof, charge number 5 is proof. Not all the 5 charges are. Can you follow it now? समझा है ना? अच्छा. Now, while punishing him, what will you write? He is punished with stoppage of increment for each of the charges. What is the meaning? सभी की नहीं, एक एक करके, or each of the charges. Now suppose 3 increments, 3 increments, 3 increments, 3 increments, 3 increments. एक तो benefit में आ गया उनका, हैं? Whether the court will pass your order or not? No. हैं? So it is the job of the they are supposed to frame it like that. Normally, the officer does it. Whatever you write, accepted. है ना? होता है ऐसा? But what you are supposed to do now? For each. Similarly, in all the cases, you are supposed to apply your mind there. You are supposed to apply your mind. Whenever you do something, first you are supposed to think that he will go to the tribunal or high court, whatever it is. Now, at that time, how my order will stand? We are supposed to see that. So, is the LDC either of the high court, either to pass or not to pass the order of the officer. Now, can you realize the importance of your draft? Whatever you write, are supposed to apply the mind. ठीक है? are some other clues also, skill also, whereby you can stop the high courts or the tribunals. How? The order will not be quashed. It is the skill that the LDC or the UDC is supposed to possess. सबको आ गया कि नहीं अभी? Whether all of you will be able to stand on that in the tribunal or the court? Yes or no? Yes, sir. Okay, thank you. First, we are supposed to know what's a tribunal and what's a court. ठीक है? Both resolve disputes, but they are not the same. Courts are main judiciary and tribunals are specialized dispute bodies. There are some experts. ठीक है? Supreme Court, High Court, District Court, Civil Judge, all that. And tribunals, National Green Tribunals, you know, CAT, you know, Debt Recovery Tribunals, you know, then Income Tax Appellate Tribunals, you know, National Company Law Tribunal, you know, So there are so many tribunals. Courts are part of the traditional judiciary established by the constitution or the state laws, whereas tribunals are quasi-judicial bodies created by a statute or an act for specific subject matters. Now, is it clear to you the difference between the tribunal and the court? To deal with certain things. And there are judicial officers as well as experts. Suppose for that there will be someone from administrative side. ठीक है? What do you do when you get a notice from a court or a tribunal? What do you do? Approach the government pleader, write to the government to defend, inform your boss, search the website of the court or the tribunal, get the writ. How to get the writ? Website of the court? Yes or no? So, we did, we went to the high court. What a copy of the how is available online, so you need not move there. Immediately you can get. Only thing is for that the case number. Will you be able to find out that? Yes or no? Okay. So when you get the writ, what do? Yes. Why the PwC is required? Why? Or that you are supposed to see that what is the content and how to refute it. Who will refute that? You will be refuting. So first you will see that, and then what will you do? You will be writing against all these paras. Suppose he wrote that I was not given enough opportunity of hearing. What will you do?
Sir.
अच्छा ठीक है. हाँ. What will you do? Suppose he has written that I was not given the opportunity to refute it. What will you do now? How will you prove it now? पढ़ा इस कमेंट में लिखना है आपको that he was a given opportunity, hide this. What are these now? क्या है? Yes. Now, you know how to conduct a DP? Yes or no? How it is done? IO will be there. What the IO will do? He will hear it. Now, when he will hear, what will he write? What he will write? There are two things he will be writing. First one is the order sheet. Order sheet में क्या लिखेगा? ये कहाँ है? How to erase that? Order sheet, you know? बस. So suppose this is the order sheet. Order sheet में लिखेगा the orders made. Suppose 1/22 to 25. Seen the order of the authority, gone through to the case record, ask all to be present on 5/3/25. ये एक ऑर्डर दे दिया ऑर्डर शीट में. Then on suppose 5/3/25, it is order number 2. तो इसमें लिखा है PO present. delinquent officer को black वाला है क्या सी ink black ink ना black PO present delinquent officer not present he was served with the notice hide this so another opportunity is given to him to refute the charges हैं ये सब क्या क्यों लिखा है ये सब हैं हाँ क्यों लिखा है ये सब क्यों He went to the High Court. High Court में बोला कि I was not allowed to refute. Now, इसमें क्या लिखा? So another opportunity is given. So refuting him, what the High Court will do? What the High Court will do? Support you. High Court will support you. High Court will not oppose your order. So, whose writings will help? Your yes. आपका काम है ना ये But if suppose you don't write, what will happen? तो क्वास हो जाएगा So how to handle the case now? Apply the mind. Apply your mind. ठीक है? Can you understand? Acha. Now another chance has been given. Suppose still he has not come. Fix this. Suppose order number 3 by 25/3/25. PO present. Delinquent officer absent. He was given enough opportunity to defend himself. है ना? ये सब क्यों लिखा है हम लोग? So that in the High Court, our order will not be quashed. है ना? So, while handling all this, ठीक है? So, he was given enough opportunity to defend himself. In the next date, if he still remains absent in spite of serving the order on such and such date, X का party hearing will be made. One side हो जाएगा. But the court will not quash your order. क्यों? क्यों? Yes, yes. So now he is writing that I was not given enough opportunity. है ना? But in fact, he was given. So all these things you will be writing in the para-wise comment. And the affidavit will have all those. High Court or tribunal क्या करेगा तब? He will not quash our order, but will the court will say that his petition is dismissed. Who did this now? Who the High Court or the tribunal to pass such an order? Who? You. Now can you imagine what a responsibility you have? But are you doing it? Are you doing it? Yes or no? Not doing. So you are supposed to be equipped with all these. ठीक है? So we are supposed to have the order sheet, and whenever the High Court or the tribunal asks, submit the case record, submit this one also. Why? Why should we? Why should we? Yes. When the High Court or the tribunal will see this order sheet, what he will do? What the High Court will do? He will not quash our order. He will dismiss his petition. Who has done that? You, the LDCs or the UDCs. So, can you imagine the power of the LDC? But, have you exercised that? No. Have you exercised that? No. You have the power, but you don't exercise it. Who can help you? Ultimately, the court will quash your order. So, how to handle the case in the tribunal or in the High Court or any court? How to handle? First thing is, you are to see word by word and you are to think the concepts, what the High Court will do. So whether all of you will be able to prepare the para-wise comment or not? Yes or no? Yes, okay. So you have the power, so you have the capacity to write all those, but you don't write. So ultimately you lose in the court. Now from today onwards, what you will be doing? क्या करेगा आप लोग आज से? Yes, apply your mind. and do all this. ठीक है? These are some of the things that you are to remember. Fairness to होना चाहिए. Knowledge of the facts. Law भी जानना है. Procedure भी. Hierarchy of the courts. So we will come into that. What is the hierarchy of the courts? Then how to communicate with the tribunals or the courts. So these are the role of the ministerial staff. Means you. क्या क्या करना है? आयर ने क्या बोला? Can you understand this now?
Yes, sir.
If you apply your mind, court cases will not be there. है ना? Suppose you have applied all this, what the court will do? Dismiss his petition and your order will stand. ठीक है? So these are the courts, hierarchy of the courts and the tribunal. At the top, Supreme Court of India, then the High Courts, then the District and Session Courts, and on the left side, what have you seen? CAT, and the lower courts. ये नहीं चाहिए आपको. Judicial scrutiny of administrative action. क्या क्या देखता है उन लोग? फेयर हियरिंग हुआ है कि नहीं? फेयर एक्शन है कि नहीं? फेयर हियरिंग क्या हुआ? What is that? Yes. The IO, he used to be neutral. In his writings also. Such as what he has written, PO present, delinquent officer not present. He was served with the notice by this. So another opportunity is given to him to refute the charges. So he has shown that I am not acting on either side. I am equal to both. The court will see that. Suppose these sentences are not there. And normally, some of the IOs don't maintain the order sheet. दिखाया है कि नहीं आप लोग को कि ऑर्डर शीट होना चाहिए? नहीं. Normally, it is not done. But if the order sheet is there, High Court will see that. And all the requirements to refute the charges are available. है ना? So he will think that you are neutral. Fair hearing has been given. To prove it, with the help of this. ये है कि नहीं, it will say whether you are neutral or not. Speaking by mouth that I am neutral will not do. But those orders, it will say that you are neutral. है ना? These are the court proceedings. When it is in the Supreme Court or the High Court, it is said as writ petition. Then when it is in the Central Administrative Tribunal or in the State Administrative Tribunal, it is called original application. Normally we say OA. OA का meaning क्या है? Original application. In the tribunal. Then civil courts, it is क्या है? Original suits. Lokayut proceedings. Then Human Rights Commission, yes. Then Information Commission, same. ये सब सही है क्या? Let us have some practical problems and then we have to sort it out. वही अच्छा होगा ना? So I will skip all this. अच्छा, पढ़ा हुआ है comment. How to prepare it? This central government appoints standing councils in all courts. They will be helping you. But the para-wise comments, you are supposed to submit it to him. I will skip it as because our time will not allow. Why does the government usually get an adverse order in a court of law? We don't follow the procedure. Now, this order sheet is not maintained by 70% of the IOs. 70 to 80% of the IOs don't maintain this order. What will happen? What's the order? So the procedure you are supposed to have. Content. Don't see superficially. Content is he is punished with stoppage of 3 increments without cumulative effect for all the charges. What will happen? If any one of them is not order is quashed. But instead of that, if you write for each of the charges, what the High Court will do? Yes. So you see, enough authority has been given to you. Who writes the punishment draft? You prepare only. Either you can write he is punished with stoppage of 3 increments without cumulative effect,
for all the charges. Or you can write, he is punished with stoppage of 3 increments for each of the charges. Which one will be helpful? But which one you write? So you see, ठीक है? Application of mind. अच्छा है. So the application of mind, whether you apply your mind or not, it should be reflected in the order. ठीक है? Natural justice, whether justice has been given to him or not. Suppose you are him. Suppose he was absent in office for 1 day, or he was late in office for half an hour, and you dismissed him. Natural justice है क्या? नहीं है. So you are supposed to see that also. Are holding in a court of law, or in a tribunal. Principle of natural justice, whether he has been given the opportunity or not. Whether the IO or the authority is biased or it is natural part. What is that? Anybody from chemistry? No. Chemistry में क्या होता है? You take it, तो लगा दीजिए. If it is red acid, yes, alkaline. So it should be like that. It should be like that. ठीक है? Inference should be natural. Deductive, logical. और deductive होना चाहिए. He spoke this, he spoke this, he spoke this, he could not refute, so it stands. है ना? These are the things should be written in the report. ठीक है? Report कौन बनाता है? You prepare that. Suppose your deputy chief engineer, he is the IO. So he will ask you कि एक report बना के ले आइए. He will shine. Now, what did you write there? All this, that he said such and such, he said such and such, the defendant could not refute the charges. So it stands. And when it will go to the tribunal or the high court, he will see it, report of the IO. तो IO ने लिखा हुआ है इसमें, क्या लिखा? Yes, that he was given the opportunity, he was speaking that he could not refute. So will the High Court quash your order? No. want that the High Court order tribunal not quash our order. ठीक है? समय थोड़ा कम है. You know that? Huh? Order sheet तो दिखा दिया. हाँ? Cross examination. He should always be given to cross examine, and his signature is to be attached there. He is to be allowed to sign, and it will be a part of the report. When the report will have that, the High Court or the tribunal will see that yes, he was the present. ठीक है? लॉजिकल होना चाहिए. Principles of natural justice, opportunity to refute the charge, वो जो है ना दिखाया वहां पे. Conduct the defense. He should be allowed to cross examine. Fair and impartial होना चाहिए. Evidence in presence of the accused, if it is not ex parte. Punishment should be proportionate. So these are the things that we are supposed to obey. Suppose the court has given one order. Suppose quashed your order. Either you implement it or you appeal for that. Now suppose you have not implemented nor you have appealed. What will happen? Court means you will have to go to jail. Court will say you were ordered to do this, but you did not do. So why action shall not be initiated against you? फंस गया ना आप. तो either you appeal or you implement. How to prepare comments? Para-wise comments जो लिखेगा ना, these are the, yes, headings are these. I will not have time to explain all this. समय only 3 minutes है. Harsh words should not be used. Drafts should be given to the head of the office. Certification is required. ठीक है? Whether all of you will be able to prepare the para-wise comment or not? All of you? Okay. These are the steps you are supposed to follow. इसके लिए तो समय होगा नहीं. हाँ, now it's a case. Study it. You did not do anything. Now he went to the High Court. He went to the High Court. हो सकता? Huh? Now what will you do? What should you do? Huh? क्या क्या है रूल? रूल तो आपको जानना ही होगा. How will you know the rules? मोदी ने सब कुछ दिया है. ऊपर में all are uploaded. All the rules. And internet immediately you will get. 1 second. Internet in our time from Jorhat to Guwahati online required 3 days. नौगांव में लाइन कटा हुआ है. आजकल नहीं है. You are so fortunate, but you don't read the rules. You are supposed to read the rules. All the rules are available in the website. Whether it is High Court or anything. Now, what will you do? So you are supposed to give a speaking order. Speaking order, you know? The order that speaks. Speaking order, have you heard the word? No. Speaking order. The order speaks. How will you write it? In this case, I will take 2 minutes more. So, the order will be like this. See in the application of Mr. X. His father expired on 1/12/13 and he applied on 3/12/14. In accordance with the order of the Honorable High Court, he did not submit the application within a period of 1 year. So to honor the order of the Honorable High Court, I dismiss his petition. What the High Court will do? What the High Court will do? Yes. But normally we don't write the speaking order. Even we do not know what is the speaking order. So, who has the power now? You. But you don't exercise. You are writing in the speaking order that to honor the order of the Honorable High Court. To honor the order of the Honorable High Court. What the Honorable High Court said? He will have to submit it within a period of 1 year. How long he took? More than that. So to honor the order of the Honorable High Court, Bas, what the High Court will do now? नहीं हाई कोर्ट का ऑर्डर है ये वी आर सपोज टू ओबे दैट हाई कोर्ट का ऑर्डर है कि 1 साल का अंदर ही ये देना है ही हैज नॉट गिवन सो इट इज हिज फॉल्ट देयर इज नो सच एक्सेप्शन है ना सो ऑलवेज गिव दैट स्पीकिंग ऑर्डर समझा है ना So anything you like to ask? Sorry, I took some 4 minutes extra, huh? Anything you like to ask? It is it requires licensing. Anything you like to ask?